Hello friends, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix if your roblox application is not launching. How can you fix this error? So you just need to do is to move to your head over to your setting, and now you have to go to the apps where you can manage your applications. Now you have to tap on this manage apps. Now you have to head over to your roblox application. Now tap on it. So make sure it is open in the background, so you have to open it. And if it is not launching but you have to open this application in the background, so this option, this force stop option must be enabled. So when you tap on this force stop, so what it does basically, it suddenly shut down your application. And when you open your application, it will open your application as like you are restarting your application. So it's the best way to fix this error. Just tap on it again to launch your application, and after this your problem must be fixed. And if your problem persists, then you can do one more thing. You can uninstall your application and reinstall. So when you reinstall your application, and if there is any bug in your application, it must be fixed by reinstalling your application. Or if your problem, or if launching error is continuously persist with your device, then you can restart your phone itself. So you can hold the power button and tap on reboot. So if you restart your application, if there is any problem with your device, then restarting might fix your device. So it helps you to fix your launching problem in roblox. So these are the things you can apply. And if your problem is still persists, then you can take a support of roblox support team. You can write them email, or ask them to help you to fix your error. And if there is any problem with your application, they will definitely help you out. So thanks for watching, guys. If you like the video, please subscribe to our channel. Till then, bye bye.